We're ready to start the PTK, the topography guided PRK, again a combination myopic and hyperopic treatment seen here with the EX500 excimer laser. Here mitomycin C 0.02 milligrams per ml for 30 seconds. This is the BSS that will be followed by 0.1% riboflavin. For the Athens protocol, we use a standard of 10 milliwatts for 10 minutes. We use riboflavin drops every 1 minute for this 10-minute duration.